Welcome back again. Today we are going to start a very important topic, very important aspect of the computer networking. It is the topology, network topology. This is very useful for when the in starting the users laid down the computer's wires and what is the pattern behind it that the computer are which is followed by the computers to get it interconnected with each other. The pattern in which the computers or the arrangement in which the computers are interconnected is called topology. So network topology is again a very useful concept for learning the computer networking. Let's start with it. Computer network topology. It is our new topic. Before starting of this topic, again I will to restate that at the time of the HTML videos, I told you that we are going to get a break for the theoretical portion, that is the computer networking, and for that time, for in between the this particular time, you will have a very good time for practicing HTML. So I think you are all practicing the HTMLs programs, and because the necessary practicing and to just to reduce the burden on you, I am just in between doing this topic. Otherwise, I will also suggest you that during this period, because it is a theoretical topic, on practical aspect, you again practice for the HTML programs. Now, computer network. Basically, in the topology, we are having very ring topology, and it is also called token ring. Token word is again very important over here. Token ring type of topology. Then we have the star topology. Then we are having tree type of topology. Then bus topology, again a very important one. Then bus, it is bus topology. Then mesh hybrid type topology, and again the mesh topology. These are the topologies. These are the different type of arrangement in which the computers are interconnected to each other. Now, one by one, we are covering each topic. Now, again, token ring. Basically, it is a ring type of topology, but token word is very important. So, it is called token ring type of topology. In this type of topology, the arrangement is such that one computer, suppose a computer is there, it is connected to computer number B to a coaxial wire, preferably coaxial wire, but sometimes twisting pair wire is also used. Then this computer is also connected with computer at the opposite direction, and this computer is again connected to. Now I am just including the four computers. So ultimate fourth computer is again connected to the another computer. That means the all the computer arrangement are forming a shape of the ring. Now, in this way, if a computer number A, wants to send a signal to B here, okay, it may transmit. Computer number A want to transmit the signal for the transmission for the receiver as destination is B. Then from here, the data will be propagated, and then because wire is common, the data will come to this particular junction D. So D will receive the data. Similarly, D can also send the data to the different destination, maybe A, C or B, wherever it is possible. But there is a situation that when a computer wants to send the data to B or suppose D, then at particular that time D is also want to send the signal to the B. That means the transmission is A to B, sorry, A to D, and again this D is again sending signal to A, and this is the common path. So what would happen? Data will collide at any point in between B and D. Any point. Data will collide and not be destinated to the either by the A or by the B, because the signals are ruined, damaged over there. To overcome such situation, I think in your class also you have observed that when a student want to go for the washroom or for drinking the water, so many students say, sir मुझे जाना है, सर मुझे जाना है. अब वो सबके सब बाहर हो जाते हैं, तो टीचर क्या करता है? टीचर के पास अरेंजमेंट होता है पास सिस्टम. वो एक पास बना के रखता है, भाई जो जाएगा बाहर उसके पास पास होना चाहिए, जिससे कि वो एक या दो पास होंगे, उन्हीं पे एश्योर हो गया भाई जो पास लेके जाएगा वही वैलिड है, अदरवाइज वो एब्सेंटी कंसीडर होगा अगर तो उसके पास नहीं है. तो वो जो सिस्टम था ना, वो यहाँ पर यूज होता है. अब आप देखिए, एक टोकन इसके साथ बड़े हमने जो अरेंज किया था वो इसीलिए किया था कि रिंग टाइप ऑफ टोपोलॉजी में टोकन नाम का एक कंसेप्ट है. ये टोकन एक बिट है, टोकन जिसको हम कहेंगे, और ये बिट यहाँ पर ए के ऊपर फ्लक्चुएट कर रहा है जहां से ओरिजिनेट होता हुआ. ये 1 सेकंड 2 सेकंड कस्टमाइज है, हम उसके हिसाब से इसको सेट कर देते हैं. ये यहाँ पर इसको वेट कर रहा है. अगर ये इस समय कोई डाटा भेजना चाहता था, किसी भी जगह पे ट्रांसमिट करना चाहता था, तो ये इस टोकन को कैप्चर कर लेगा और इसके मतलब कि इस पूरे पाथ के ऊपर ए वाले का राइट हो गया है. अब ए वाला डाटा अपना कहीं भी भेज सकता है, बी को, सी को, डी को, जहां भी भेजना चाहे भेज सकता है. बट when he is not interested to transmit the data, the token will pass automatically to another computer and wait it for 2 seconds, 3 seconds. Again, I have already told you that it is a customized type of time being set over there. Maybe generally we set it for the 2 seconds. For this 2 seconds, if C want to send, then it will capture the token, and then because it has the right on the entire network, entire ring topology, so it can send data to anywhere, either to in this direction or to in the opposite direction. In this way, the collision possibility is reduced. But again, if the token is being waiting at this point and B want to send the signal, then again this will come to this, then this will come to this, then this will come to this. It will have to wait for a long time. So this is not a fruitful type of situation. But in the starting, the token ring topology was very introduced and was very got the very good responses in the computer networking. So I think this is good but not best. Again, another topology is called star topology. Basically, in this topology, there is a main computer. You can say the server also. Main computer is there, which is having a hub or the switch is attached to it, and from this, suppose 4 ports are there. So 4 number of computers, because if no computer can have a NIC card with it, which having the 4 port. So again, for the multi-port system, we are using hubs or switch over here. This is the main concept we using this. Again, another computer occupying this port, and another computer is occupying this, and finally if it is a port switch, then four computer can be attached in this way. Centralized system is like this particular. No, this is not possible because A is attached to this particular computer. So this one will occupy this port. This is the arrangement. So if four ports are there, then four computers can be connected. If it is a 8-port hub or 8-port switch, then you can attach four number of computers like that. So here any computer, if it is B, if it is C, it is D, any computer can send the signal anywhere, anytime. No need for waiting for the token in this particular type of topology. A want to send signal, okay, this will be the A and this is the path. B want to signal to suppose to it is A, B, no need for this. If B want to send signal to D, then B is this and from this path to this path. So collision is I think not possible, but the drawback is again if the A is collapsed, a computer is shut down, a computer is damaged, then will it be possible to send a signal from one computer to another computer? Of course not. So that means the whole dependency is on the A computer. Rest of the computer, though they are working fine, but they cannot uh, independently can send the data because of the failure of the A computer, which is a centralized computer or maybe the server also. So this is a way, but again I will say that in the computers lab, basically in the colleges, in the institutions like us, generally people do prefer star topology, and whenever you are having a hub or switching system like this for installing the network, you will again observe that the undoubtedly you can say that you are using the star topology there. So again star is very important one. It is very frequently oftenly used in the computer networking, but again have some drawbacks also. So this was the again features and the drawbacks of the star topology. Now we come to the another topology. It is called tree topology. Tree means the computers are arranged in the form of tree. One computer is A, again is having two descendants, number B and number C. Suppose again, sorry, C. Again, these two computers are having two computers. Suppose C, sorry, D and E, and suppose this C is having only one computer. So this type of formation is called tree, and the arrangement in which these computers are arranged for the tree topology or tree type of arrangement. Again, if this computer gets failed, again very good type of topology, but if this computer is failed, okay, nothing, that is separate. C is working, C can transmit data to anywhere, B is working, E is working, anywhere can be data can be shared. But if C is collapsed, because C is the server for this particular computer, so this computer cannot be covered in the network because its guardian, its parent computer is collapsed. If this computer is working fine, okay, it can send. This one is correct. If this computer fail, nothing happened. If this one fail, if this computer fail, the entire topology fail. So it is up to the person at what number of layer the level the computer is not functioning or failure of the computer is accomplished at what particular level. So in this way the computer at the above that particular level, the computer's working is fine, but below that particular level, where the computer is get damaged or fail, is entire network get collapsed up to after that particular level. So this was a drawback in the tree topology. Tree topology is generally not used, but again, when you see the cabling, TV cabling at your home, तो केबल ऑपरेटर होता है, वो तार वार सर घर घर छत छत पर जाता है, वो जो करता है ना, वो लगभग लगभग इसी तरह की टोपोलॉजी को यूज करता रहता है। एक घर में तार पहुंचाया, वहां से दूसरे घर में पहुंचा दिया, तीसरे में पहुंचा दिया, तो ये टोपोलॉजी जनरली वहां पे यूज होती है। लेकिन कंप्यूटर के अंदर जनरली इसको हम लोग प्रेफर नहीं करते। ड्रॉबैक मैंने आपको बता दिया कि एक कंप्यूटर नहीं, एक लेवल के बाद जिसपे कंप्यूटर खड़ा हो, उसके बाद के सारे एंटायर कंप्यूटर आपके उसके बाद फेल हो जाते हैं, ट्रांसमिशन नहीं कर पाते हैं। ओके ओके, नाउ तो we are having a bus topology, which is most important type of topology. This type of bus topology is enjoying a similar common path. आपको सड़क पे वजह बस घूमती है, जिनसे आप लोग घर आते हो, आते जाते हो, उसको बस नहीं कहते हो। जो बस घूमना बीच में, वो बस नहीं है। बस बेसिकली रूट होता है, जिस रूट से हमारा वो फिक्स होता है। अब उसमें जैसे स्टैंड होते हैं, कुछ लोग चढ़ते हैं, कुछ उसका उनका डेस्टिनेशन होता है, उतर जाते हैं। इसी तरह का कुछ यहाँ पे उसी से हमें इंस्पायर ये टेक्नोलॉजी बनाई है, इसलिए इसका नाम बस है। तो बस का मतलब कभी भी लगाइएगा, जो ट्रैवल कर रहा है, व्हीकल जो ट्रैवल कर रहा है, वो बस है। बस मीन्स रूट, the route which is followed by that particular vehicle in which we are all get boarded or deboarded. So this particular common type of path, this type of common type of bus, or this type of common path of route is being shared by the number of computers. In offices, this is used. That means this such common cable is being led at the time of installing the computer, and through this different sockets are given to the user for getting the computer to be attached at this particular topology. So A, B, D, and suppose D, C. These four computers, again I am taking the example again and again of four computers. You can just increase the numbers, the concept will remain the same. Suppose this A computer wants to send the signal to the B, okay, it will send signal to this. Through this path, the signal will travel and reach to the D. Again, D want to send the signal to C, so D will again enjoy this part and can signal to the C. Same thing. But when the D was sending the signal to B, at that particular time, suppose B is also is sending the signal to A. Suppose that. So what will happen? Over here, at a certain juncture of point, the data will again collide. It was the same situation like in the ring topology. So अब होता है ना कि हमने घर से गए, बस से जा रहे थे, हमारे रास्ते में बस खराब हो गई, या हमारे को कोई भगवान ना करे एक्सीडेंट हो जाता है, तो हमको घर पर कैसे मिलती है? हमने तो उसी कॉमन बस से पहुंचा दिया, खबर तो ना पहुंची हमारे घर पे, हाँ तो आप पढ़े जी, ये चोट वोट खा के अस्पताल जा रहे हैं या कोई किसी को फोन किया जाए, तो ये ऐसी सिचुएशन जो वहाँ पे होती है, वही सेम सिचुएशन यहाँ पे राइज हो रही है कि डाटा कोलाइड करेगा। अब हमने कोलाइड करे, एक्सीडेंट हुआ, हमारा नहीं हुआ, हमारे डाटा का एक्सीडेंट हो गया, डाटा कोलाइड कर गया। अब हमें को पता नहीं है, उन्होंने ए ने सोचा, हमने तो डाटा भेज दिया था जी डी को, और इधर से बीसी वाले ने सोचा था कि हमने भेज दिया था, और डाटा बीच में कोलाइड कर गया, दोनों को ही अनअवेयर है, दोनों को डाटा नहीं मिला। दिस सिचुएशन इज very dangerous to the bus topology. So this topology is again having very good advantages, but this topology is associated with a certain protocol, what we call CSMA, carrier sense multiple access. जब भी कैरियर होता है तो मल्टीपल जगह उसको एक्सेस की जाती है, यहाँ पर है। इसके साथ इसको और जगह हमने और आगे कर दिया, इसके साथ सीडीओ लगा दिया। सीडी इज कॉल्ड कैरियर कोलिजन डिटेक्शन। जब डाटा कोलाइड करेगा तो दोनों जगह पे वापस एक मैसेज एक्नॉलेज कर दिया जाएगा कि आपका डाटा आपके डेस्टिनेशन तक नहीं पहुंचा है, डाटा बीच में से कोलाइड कर गया है। तो बस टोपोलॉजी जब तक CSMA CD इसके साथ नहीं लगा होगा तब तक इसमें डाटा को भेजना बहुत ही चैलेंजिंग है। तो इसको हम लोग इस तरह से ओवरकम कर देते हैं और इस तरह से हमारा जो डाटा है वो हमारा पहुंच जाता है। कैसे, सपोज कि एक्सीडेंट हुआ तो किसी ने फोन करके बता दिया कि भाई आपका जो है यहाँ पे फलाना जो था आपके घर का मेंबर यहाँ पे एक्सीडेंट हो गया, आप इसको या तो हॉस्पिटल ले जाएं या इसको आप आके रिकवर करें। सेम चीज कुछ इस तरह की यहाँ पे हो सकती है। तो CSM में तब हमारा काम करता है जबकि इस प्रोटोकॉल को बेसिकली हमारे IEEE के अंदर 802.3 जो प्रोटोकॉल है, इथरनेट प्रोटोकॉल, वो बेसिकली इसी के लिए डिजाइन किया हुआ है। तो इसके ऊपर भी हम डिस्कस करेंगे बाद में, लेकिन क्योंकि हमारा इंट्रोडक्टरी टाइप को क्लासेस हैं, हम नहीं चाहते इसको ज्यादा लंबा लेंथी उसको बनाया जाए, हम इसको ये चाहेंगे। इसी तरह से हमारी हाइब्रिड है, जब दो इन सच बेसिक जो हमारे जो टोपोलॉजी थे इनमें से किसी दो को हम मिला लेंगे तो हाइब्रिड बन जाएगा। कहीं कुछ पोर्शन हमारा रिंग है, कहीं कुछ पोर्शन हमारा बस में जा रहा है, या हमारा वो सपोज कीजिए स्टार में जा रहा है, तो हमारा वो दो अलग टोपोलॉजी को मिलाए मैच मिल जाएगा। और जहाँ पे कोई टोपोलॉजी ना हो, कोई कंप्यूटर कहीं जुड़ा हुआ है, कोई कंप्यूटर कहीं जुड़ा है, तो हमारा जो फोर्थ वाला था उसको मैच, वो इतने इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं थे। इंपॉर्टेंट हमें चारों थे, चारों को मैंने आपके साथ डिस्कस किया है। आई थिंक this is again a very fruitful type of, but again a simple topic, but you should have the awareness of such type of arrangement in the computing. Only then you will have a very good and vast knowledge of the computer networking. It was very good topic, again a simple one. I am just concluding this topic over here, not emphasizing for the lengthy video. Again, if something is left, I will reintroduce it in the next session. But for up to this level, in this particular video, I am just stopping this video over here, and again requesting to all for subscribing and for sharing the channel. And if you have any difficulty, then you can comment it. Thank you.